Hello, my name is Margaret Thompson. I am a retired teacher, and I want to share with you the transformation AquaPeace has brought to my life. Since I entered my 60s, my hearing health began to show signs of wear. I have always been active, attending gatherings with friends and enjoying family moments. But in recent years, I started to notice something strange. Familiar sounds became muffled. The ringing in the silence of the night was unbearable, and, to make matters worse, a sense of imbalance began to affect my daily walks. It was during this moment of frustration that I heard about AquaPeace. At first, I was skeptical. A natural supplement made with marine ingredients. Could something so simple really work? But the promises were closely aligned with my needs. Natural ingredients, support for hearing health, and benefits for balance. In addition, stories from people like Sarah and Tom, who reported incredible results, caught my attention. I thought, why not give it a try? After all, they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. While researching more about AquaPeace, I discovered fascinating ingredients such as Clonia cava, which helps with inflammation, spirulina, which provides essential nutrients, and sea buckthorn, rich in omega, known for supporting inner ear health. The idea of using science combined with nature won me over. Knowing that the ingredients come from isolated regions in Asia, where they have been used for centuries, increased my confidence. I started taking AquaPeace, and within the first week, I noticed small changes. The ringing that used to torment me had become quieter. I continued taking it diligently, and after about 2 weeks, the results were clear. Peaceful nights of sleep, more energy during the day, and that constant nose disappearing. One particularly emotional moment was when my granddaughter gave a musical performance. Before using AquaPeace, I could barely follow voices in noisy rooms. This time, I heard every note. It was incredible to realize that I could be present for these moments again. Moreover, the imbalance that made me feel insecure had practically disappeared. Today, I take daily walks and have even resumed practicing yoga. If you are facing hearing or balance problems, I highly recommend AquaPeace. It has transformed my life in ways I never imagined possible. With the 6-bottle package, I even received 2 amazing bonuses: a guide to improve hearing while sleeping and another on how to deal with vertigo. And remember, the 60-day guarantee eliminates any risk. Click the button below and discover what AquaPeace can do for you. You deserve to hear life in all its fullness. Don't wait, take advantage while supplies last. Click the link below and transform your life with AquaPeace today.